In this video, we'll learn about our solar system and that planet that it contains. The Sun. Did you know that the Sun is a star? Just like the one we see at night, but much closer. The Sun is the closest star to our Earth. Without the Sun, life on Earth would not exist. The Sun is a giant ball of burning gas that gives light and heat. Now let's learn about our planets. Number 1. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest planet to the Sun. It has no atmosphere and extreme temperature. Venus. Venus, the second planet of our solar system, is the hottest of all planets. It's similar in size of Earth but not friendly to life. Earth. Earth is the third planet of our solar system and the one we live in. Is currently the only planet known with certainty to contain life and liquid water. Water covers 70% of Earth's surface. Earth's atmosphere is made mostly of nitrogen and has plenty of oxygen for us to breathe. Earth has one natural satellite, which is Moon. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system. It's also called a red planet. The red planet with dusty landscape and the largest volcano in the solar system. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth and the largest planet in our solar system. It is 2.5 times large than all the planets in the solar system combined. It takes its name from Jupiter, the greatest of the gods in Roman mythology. Jupiter is the fastest rotating planet around itself. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet of the solar system. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. Saturn has been known since ancient time because it can be seen without advanced telescope. It has a ring that separates it from other planets and make it unique. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet of our solar system. Uranus looks like a green-blue ball. Uranus was the first planet found with a telescope. Uranus has a ring just like a Saturn but not as beautiful. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet in the solar system and the farthest from the Sun. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system One rotation of Neptune around the Sun is equal to 175 Earth years. Neptune is the cold, dark and very windy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.